Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys this amazing hair growth treatment you can apply to your hair twice a week or once a month. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. In this channel I do DIYs video that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done. So let's get started. So to make this hair growth treatment, you are going to need rice. I'm going to be adding 1 cup of rice to a bowl. Then I'm going to go ahead and add water and rinse off the rice. So after washing the rice, I transfer it to the pot. Then go ahead and add 1 cup of water. Then I'm going to cook the rice for 20 to 25 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next ingredient. The second ingredient is aloe vera. I'm going to cut the aloe vera into small pieces and soak it inside water for 30 minutes so the yellowish part of the aloe vera which causes itchy scalp can remove. Don't forget that while preparing the aloe vera, our rice is still on fire, so we need to check it constantly. I totally forgot that I didn't record when my rice is cooking. So this is after 30 minutes soaking my aloe vera. We are going to remove the gel because we are only needing the aloe vera gel for this hair growth remedy. So after removing the aloe vera gel, I transferred the aloe vera gel into my blender and I add my cooked rice. Please make sure your rice is very well cooked so blender can blend it very well. So after blending it, we need to strain out the blended aloe vera and rice. So guys, the reason why we strain it is because my blender did not blend it very well, so it is not smoothly at all, and I don't need any residue on my hair like rice residue, aloe vera residue, so we need to strain it. So guys, I'm adding my hair growth oil. If you need this hair growth oil video, please let me know in the comment section. I would like you to comment below and like this video please, and also subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video very far, please drop a comment. Even though if it's a art, please drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you. As you can see how creamy this deep conditioner is. So I just shampoo my hair, and this has to apply on clean hair, and you need to work in session. So when I'm applying to my hair, let's talk about the benefits of aloe vera and rice for hair. Aloe vera is a great natural conditioner that can penetrate into the hair, scalp to hydrate, stand and moisturize the scalp, helping to alleviate inflammation, itching or irritation. Aloe vera is a natural antibacterial and antimicrobial property. Also make it a gentle cleanser that effectively remove grease without straining natural oil. Aloe vera treats dandruff and itchy scalp, reduce frizziness and make the hair smoother, eliminate microbial infection, reduce hair fall and strengthen roots, stimulate hair growth. Why rice increase hair volume, better hair shine and appearance, stronger follicles, repair to cuticle damage, dandruff prevention and anti-inflammatory effects on the scalp. Reason why you need to deep condition your hair is because deep conditioning contributes to reducing breakage and split end, and it also improve your hair health. If you think that your hair is not damaged, incorporate deep conditioning season into your regimen on a regular basis, which will help you stay on track and maintain healthy hair overall. So after applying it on my hair, I'm going to cover it with a liner and leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it with water. So guys, that is it for today's video. That is all I do here on my channel. I share everything regarding keeping healthy hair. So at this point, if you like this kind of video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.